What's up guys, Adam Hudson here, and I'm in Burleigh Heads today again with my mate Wayne, who is not only a good mate of mine but a super successful Amazon seller and a head coach in our private coaching program. Now Wayne, I want to talk to you today about something that we hear people do, right? So they watch these videos, they hear that we build businesses on Amazon, they get really excited about it, and then they do something really strange. They decide not to get educated, not to get into a community, sit at home in their underpants and watch YouTube videos to learn to sell on Amazon. So maybe Wayne, you could start by telling us, how do you run the coaching division and why do you run it that way? I know you have an analogy with a swimming pool.
Yep.
Tell us about that.
Well, what you were saying before about the guy sitting in his underpants watching YouTube videos, it lacks any degree of structure or accountability.
Right.
And so we know those things are incredibly important to making progress. So we provided structure. And in our coaching program, we have these 4 lanes that we graduate people through. We start with setup, then we go to sourcing, then we go to shipping, and then selling. And my job is to take people from lane 1 to lane 4 as quickly as they can possibly go. But also, even if you're just part of the community, you're surrounded by people that are going to hold you more accountable to progress and success than you're likely to hold yourself. So having structure and accountability makes all the difference.
A lot of people don't even know that there are 4 lanes, right, to this business, right? Just run through them again quickly.
Setup, sourcing, shipping, and then selling.
Right, 4 clear, distinct phases to the process, and then inside of those are a whole bunch of sequential steps that you need to take to get from there to there, and then from there to there. So guys, if you're going to do something, especially something as complex as learning Amazon, getting yourself into an accountable environment, whether it be to buy our program, then get into our Facebook community and join a mastermind, or if you want to go really serious and get into our coaching program, but that accountability environment with people who are on the same path as you cannot be underestimated. And that's what we provide here at Reliable Education. We provide a clear structure, a sequential sequence, step-by-step process to get to where you want to go, and then accountability partners throughout. Otherwise, you're out there on your own, floating around, and the chances of survival are very, very slim in the Amazon jungle. So thanks for watching, Wayne. Thanks for your insights. Hope you're enjoying these videos, and we'll see you in the next one soon.